Let's get a check of our forecast with meteorologist Danielle Niles. And you said you're going to want to grab the shades this morning, Danielle.
Yep, solar glare may be the only thing you have to contend with. A little bit of a chilly start this morning as well. So the sweatshirt, the fall jacket, a must this morning. 51 in Boston, 52 in Worcester, 36 degrees in Keene, though. We're in the mid-40s in Lawrence right now. Mid-30s, though, in Springfield, North Adams. There may be just a touch of frost in some of the most outlying locations as well. Otherwise, clear skies and sunshine going to be with us this morning. Next round of rain as well to our west with some showers and thunderstorms all the way from Iowa stretching back up through Wisconsin. That's with the front that doesn't arrive for us until we get to the end of the week. So high pressure is in control for now, building out of eastern Canada. Temperatures today climb into the 60s and will be 65 to 70 degrees tomorrow as well. A beautiful pair of fall days here for our Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday is when we start to warm up. The return flow on the backside of that high brings a southwest wind and temperatures 80 plus on Wednesday afternoon. Still low humidity as well. And then this cold front will bring changes for the end of the week, along with a couple of showers. But for the next several days, we're dry. 66 in Boston, 70 Lawrence, Bedford, Norwood today. Very pleasant. We should be in the mid-60s this time of the year. So we're right on average at the coastline. Mid-60s for the Cape and the Islands today. Mostly clear tonight. 51 in downtown Boston, so very similar to this morning. Widespread 40s in the suburbs. A couple of spots may dip into the upper 30s. And then very similar temperature-wise tomorrow, 65 to near 70 degrees. Coolest at the coast with an onshore breeze. And then it's Wednesday that we bump up the temperatures even more. 80 plus in a lot of spots. Temperatures will be in the 70s on Thursday. Maybe a shower or two. There's no day that looks like a washout. The front's coming over us to end the week. So Friday will be a little bit cooler with the chance of a shower, and then that will cool us off for the start of the weekend. Mid-60s on Saturday. We should rebound back into the 70s by the time we get to Sunday.